Whenever you combine a dried fruit like dates and a salty cheese like halloumi and feta, you get the ultimate flavour bomb. So I'm going to stuff these dates with walnuts and parsley and these two cheeses, and they are fantastic for a little aperitif. So what I've done here is just finely chopped some halloumi, and this is going to give us a squeaky texture. The cheese is also going to hold its shape and give us a lovely saltiness. And then the feta. So you only need about half a block of feta. It's got that wonderful crumbliness, and when it melts, it becomes super fluffy. Again, we're going to get a lovely savoury flavour from it. So I need to crumble this as fine as I can, because it does need to fit into these tiny little dates. And to this we'll add some finely chopped walnuts, some breadcrumbs, just a small amount of breadcrumbs for some crunch. I love the zest of some lemon, just to really freshen it up. And some finely chopped parsley. We'll just scrunch that up and finely chop it. Place that in. And we need it to be slightly sticky and almost like wet sand. So I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil, a good glug of that. If I need, I can add some more. Some freshly cracked pepper. And no salt required because the cheese is salty enough. And we're just going to mash everything together and we're good to go. Now this is the only fiddly part, which is grabbing a teaspoon and one of these dates. I've taken the pit out and we're going to fill it with this yummy cheese filling. Really compact it in there, just like this, pressing it down. Fantastic. That goes back onto the tray. I'm going to finish the rest of these and then into the oven, 180 for about 15 minutes. These smell so good. Have a look how caramelised they are on the top, but that cheese has held its shape nicely. Now this is totally optional, but I kind of like them to be extra sticky with a drizzle of honey. Just a small amount over the top, and do allow them to cool slightly. They are piping hot straight out of the oven. Let them cool down for about 10 minutes and enjoy. I think these are fantastic as is or with a little glass of wine.